Did you know that sharing something that isn't yours could land you in jail? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of information and dissemination laws in the United States. So hold on to your hats, folks. Let's uncover the facts and stay on the right side of the law. In the United States, several laws govern the collection, maintenance, use, and dissemination of information. In the land of the free and the home of the brave, several laws govern how information is collected, maintained, used, and shared. It's a legal labyrinth, but fear not. 99rights_online is here to guide you through it. Meet our key players. The Privacy Act of 1974, HIPAA, the Computer Matching Act, the E-Government Act, and FISMA. These legal superheroes are here to protect your rights and keep your information safe. The Privacy Act of 1974 establishes a code of fair information practices that governs the collection, maintenance, use, and dissemination of information about individuals maintained in systems of records by federal agencies. Key provisions include: requires agencies to give public notice of their systems of records by publication in the Federal Register, prohibits disclosure of a record about an individual without their written consent, unless it falls under one of 12 statutory exceptions, provides individuals with the means to seek access to and amendment of their records. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, of 1996. It requires the creation of national standards to protect sensitive patient health information from being disclosed without the patient's consent or knowledge. Key provisions include the Privacy Rule and the Security Rule, which set standards for the protection of health information. The Federal Information Security Modernization Act, FISMA, of 2014, defines a framework of guidelines and security standards to protect government information and operations. Key provisions include amends the FISMA of 2002 and assigns oversight responsibility to the Department of Homeland Security, DHS. E-Government Act of 2002 improves the management of federal e-government services and processes involving the collection, maintenance, or dissemination of public or personal information. Key provisions include requires privacy impact assessments, PIAs, for federal agencies. Computer Matching and Privacy Protection Act of 1988 amends the Privacy Act of 1974 to add protections for individuals whose records are used in automated matching programs. Key provisions include establishes procedural safeguards for agencies conducting computer matching programs. So, there you have it, the epic tale of information and dissemination laws in the United States. These laws ensure responsible information handling and protect privacy rights. For more details, you can check out the description for this video or refer to the Privacy Act of 1974 and the CMS Guide to Federal Laws. Liked this? Smash that like button, subscribe and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at 99rights_online for more legal quickies. Stay curious, stay informed, stay protected, and remember, knowledge is power.